So on Amazon, you may not be aware that you can have videos on your listings. Now, there's two ways that happens. Way number one, which you're probably not going to get. So I'll tell you what it is, but just know you're probably not going to get it yet. All right. Way number one is your video is here in one of these areas. The reason you're not going to get it is because Amazon gives videos in this area to their wholesale clients through a vendor relationship, where Amazon buys the product from a company and then sells the product as a wholesaler on its own platform. That's through something called Vendor Central, and you need to be invited to that, yada, yada, yada. So it's unlikely that you will get that, all right? But just if you ever see it, that's what's going on. That's a relationship that Amazon has with the vendor, where Amazon is the wholesaler of the product. But you can get another video here, something called Related Shorts. There you go. Where you can upload a video, and let me see if there's an example of that. Let's just think of Max Burn. No. Oh, Vintage Burn, that's it. That's the word I'm looking for, Neil. Vintage Burn. I can show you some related shorts. That'll do, hopefully. So Vintage Burn, they've got a video, look. Look at that. And that's because they've got a vendor relationship with Amazon. All right, that's what that is. But they've also got, he says, hopefully, these here, look. Related shorts. They've only got one, but you can have as many as you want. So they've got videos there. Now, the question is, how the hell do you do that? Well, we've just done this for a lot of our diamond clients, where we give them videos and things like that for them to upload. And so I do it for all of my products, and it's really, really cool. And what you do is you get a video done. Let's just see if click on it. Hey guys! Oh yeah, oh, he's always on theirs. He does all theirs. So you get one of your customers, and typically this comes from customer reviews. Let's just scroll down. Typically it comes from customer reviews, and they upload a video, which you can do when they give you a review. And if they do that, it then ends up in this related shorts area. Or you can get it done yourself, which is better, I think, and then use a service like gen.video to upload the video for you. They'll upload the video for you. And gen.video is very, very cheap. I think it's like $29 a month, something like that, for 10 videos. Super cheap to get it all done, and it's well worth doing. You cannot upload your own videos to Amazon. You can't do that, so don't try. You won't be able to do it. But that's two different ways you can do it. And videos are awesome, particularly for mobile search. They do very, very well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.